Namaste children. I hope you all are fine. Students, in the part first of this chapter, Politics of Planned Development, we have discussed about the idea of development and the planning for the economic development mainly. So in the part 2 of this chapter, Politics of Planned Development, we will discuss about the early initiative taken by the Planning Commission of India and comparison between the first and second 5-year plan. So let's begin with the first topic of this class, that is early initiatives. Right? So as in the USSR, Planning Commission prepared 5-year plans and Government of India prepared document that has a plan for all its incomes and expenditure for the next 5-year plan. Fine guys? And accordingly, this plan, the budget of the central and state government divided in two parts. One is planned budget and second is non-planned budget. Planned budget that is spent on a 5-year basis as per the priorities fixed by the government. Right? And non-planned budget that is spent on routine items on yearly basis. This is important difference between both this planned budget and non-planned budget. So in the first 5-year plan, Planning Commission decided the period of first 5-year plan 1951 to 56 and the second 5-year plan starting 1956 and third in 1961. Student, the fourth 5-year plan start in 1966. At this time, India was facing acute economic crisis and the government of India decided plan holiday for the 3 years, and these 3 years were 1966 to 67, 67 to 68 and 68 to 69. Fine. Annual plans were drafted and fourth plan could be started in 1969. Now we will see comparison between the first and second 5-year plan. First 5-year plan, if we will talk mainly first, we will talk about the first 5-year plan. The period of this first 5-year plan was the 1951 to 56 and the chief architect of the first 5-year plan was the K.N. Raj. And the main aim of this first 5-year plan was mainly focus on the agriculture sector and bringing country out of the cycle of poverty. And the slogan given by the K.N. Raj, the slogan was hasten slowly. Fine. And addresses mainly agriculture sector including investment in dams and irrigation and focus on land reforms also, and aim to raising level of national income by raising people's savings and income. This is about the first 5-year plan. So here we see the main focus on first 5-year plan was agriculture sector. Second 5-year plan, the period was 1956 to 61 and the architect of the second 5-year plan was P.C. Mahalanobis. Fine girls. And he gave the slogan rapid industrialization. Here we see the mainly focus was on the development of industrialization. Right? And main aim was at heavy industrialization and line down of infrastructure. A bulk of industries like electricity, railways, etc. were developed in these 5 years. Right? Infrastructure of transport and communication was improved substantially. Industrial sector got a boost, but agricultural sector was neglected in these 5-year plans. So here in the comparison of two 5-year plan, first and second 5-year plan, we see the focus on agriculture and industrialization. In first 5-year plan, mainly focus was or main aim was the main aim of the first 5-year plan was development in the agrarian sector, and in second 5-year plan we see that the mainly focus on the industrialization. Fine guys. So this is all about the part 2 of the chapter Politics of Planned Development. In the third part of this chapter, we will discuss about the key controversies on these 5-year plans between the public and private sector and agriculture and industrialization. Fine guys. Okay. Thank you.